So if you've been following the service video, the Amstrad 901 here is a genuine £89.99 early version made in Japan. And it's the second generation microphone, which is still the made in Japan microphone. So not the Action Man mic, which was a bit dodgy, but well sought after. So we've ended up getting 0.31 of a microvolt out of this and 3.6 watts on transmit. So this is the most sensitive of the three sets he sent, which is predictable. And let's see whether Mr. Chippie is not on that channel. I've not heard anybody on this yet. Oh, it doesn't want to be on the extension speaker. It wants to be on its own. Let's try again. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm recording. We're on the way. We're going.
Yep, roger that. Right, well, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you going past Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill. Soon you'll be over the hill.
Roger. And 21 to Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on an Amstrad 901 early version made in Japan, and it is doing 3.6 watts over.
Yep, roger that. Already.
And interestingly, of course, he's doing 3.6 watts. He's on one of those Midland 78 Plus Multi latest version blue display.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Grayling turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Grayleys turn. And that's our worst one. That's coming through very good for that. We'll put the Roger bleep on when I do the test to our base station. In fact, I'll put it on now and annoy him. Roger got you going over Rorsby Level Crossing. That concludes the test, and I'll switch to Roger bleep on to annoy you. 10-10. Okay, that works absolutely super. So we'll go over to our Harrier CBHQ base station, see what it sounds like on that factory original microphone. Tango 21, testing the Amstrad 901 made in Japan version with the factory original microphone, not the Action Man mic, the later mic, into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.